Exercise 9. Letter A. Sophie Amena, the owner, invested $16,750 cash in the company. This transaction would be a debit to cash, $16,750, and a credit to Amena Capital. We post to the T account, debiting cash, and crediting Amena Capital. Letter B. The company purchased office supplies for $486 cash. The journal entry is a debit to office supplies and a credit to cash. We debit the office supplies account and credit cash. Letter C. The company purchased $9,263 of office equipment on credit. The journal entry is a debit office equipment and a credit to accounts payable. Debit the office equipment T account and credit accounts payable. Letter D. The company received $1,977 cash as fees for services provided to a customer. The journal entry is a debit to cash, $1977, and a credit to fees earned. We debit the cash T account and credit the revenue account fees earned. Letter E. The company paid $9,263 in cash to settle the account payable for the office equipment purchased back in Transaction C. The journal entry is a debit to accounts payable to decrease the liability and a credit to cash. We debit the accounts payable T account and credit cash. Letter F. The company billed a customer $3,551 as fees for services provided. The journal entry debits accounts receivable and credits the revenue account fees earned. Debit accounts receivable and credit fees earned. Letter G. The company paid $520 cash for the monthly rent. Debit rent expense and credit cash. Remember, if the payment had been for future periods' rent, the debit would have been to prepaid rent. We post to the T accounts, debiting rent expense and crediting cash. Letter H. The company collected $1,491 cash as partial payment for the account receivable created in Transaction F. Debit cash $1,491 and credit accounts receivable. We post to the T account, debiting cash and crediting accounts receivable. Letter I. Amena withdrew $1,000 in cash from the company for personal use. The journal entry is a debit to the equity account, Amena withdrawals, and a credit to cash. Debit the withdrawal account and credit cash.